Scandal's actress Cindy Mahlangu bids farewell. Scandal's actress, Cindy Mahlangu, who plays the role of Violetta Mamba, has let the cat out of the bag and bid farewell to her Slay Queen character in a tweet. The actress tweeted, "Violetta Mamba, it's been good 2 days ago." The actress confirmed her departure before fans on the show found out who made it out alive this Monday. The storyline: it's a 2-day dramatic episode that began on Friday and will end tomorrow, where Violetta and Simo are locked up by Mamba after he found out about their affair. He leaves the former lovers with a gun, and whoever reaches for it first and pulls it makes it out alive. Fans were still waiting to find out who made it out alive on Monday before the actress revealed it on her social media. Here are some reactions from Scandal's fans on social media. "I don't buy it. Yo, you just want to kill us with the wait till Sunday just to make sure your character is dead. Simo died. It breaks my heart to know that you are leaving the show. You have done a great job, Cindy. I don't know what I'm going to binge watch now because you've left Scandal. May God bless you for doing an exquisite job and continue to protect you in your future endeavors. Did she die? You were so good. V was a live character. Your character was well played. It's been an entertaining ride, but all good things come to an end." The actress returned to The Queen, where she continued playing the role of Soyanda the waitress, where she is also in trouble with Simo Magwaza's character, Dollar on The Queen. Simo Magwaza plays a drug kingpin on The Queen and a ruthless businessman, Mamba on Scandal. Although Cindy's character on Scandal is married to Magwaza's, she's not married to Dollar on The Queen. On The Queen, Soyanda stole 2 million rand, and she's now in trouble with Dollar, who wants it back. Here are some reactions from fans of both shows. "Lel, Dollar is on you on both Scandal and The Queen." Quote, "This man has you on The Queen and Scandal. Hey sissy, dangerous." Though Violetta will be the one dying on Scandal, avid soapy watchers already knew that Cindy was the one who'd leave us, and Mahlangu's Simo name appears on the opening credits listing of the show, whilst Cindy Mahlangu's name doesn't.